Hi, this is Matt from Blended, and today I'm sharing how easy it is to make wine in the Blended platform. Everything starts by receiving fruit, so that's where I am today in the Blended platform, ready for our first grapes to come in. It's been a hot summer here in Napa, and we're getting close to harvest, so I'm going to simulate picking some Napa Cab. To start the process, I'm going to select the vineyard and block our grapes are coming from. Using this drop down, you'll see all of the vineyards and blocks that we know about inside the Blended platform. Now that fills in everything we know about the key compositional information, all of which gets tracked during the winemaking process. And Blended can track everything, even things like clone, pick date, and much more. Next, the process is to essentially weigh our bins. And you'll notice as I start to capture our tare weights here, Blended will auto fill in that information just to try to make life a little bit easier. This is just kind of an example of one small way that we try to simplify data entry in the platform by making the system smarter and faster. So after we've captured all of our bins, we can hit create, and that will create essentially a weigh ticket for you to use. Now these are PDFs that can be printed, shared, anything you need to keep track and accurate records for your business. So we've received our grapes, and I've gone ahead and started a wine lot from them and stuck them into fermentation tank 1. It's time to make some wine. Now, one of the things that's unique about Blended is that we are a protocol-based system. You control the protocols, they're easy to update and edit. The benefit is this allows the Blended platform to learn how you like to make wine. By setting up a protocol in Blended, we digitize every workflow into a series of icons, and these icons act as a checklist, essentially showing you what's been done and what might come next. They also help us input data faster because I can click on an icon, record what I did, or put those activities directly into work orders for someone else to do. But let's just see how it works. So our cab's in fermenter, we've already destemmed it. You'll notice as I hover over this icon, you'll see a little destem box pop up and a green check mark next to that showing it's completed. So maybe next step in our process will be to inoculate. Let's add some yeast to this fermenter. I can click on this icon and it pulls up kind of our process. So you'll see that we've already got our kind of product category set. This drop down allows us to pull in yeast that we have from the materials tracker inside of Blended. I'll pick one, and then we have a series of automated calculators that can pull in concentration rates, measurement targets, and more to help you kind of figure out which batches to apply that to and how much to actually add to the fermenter. When you're satisfied with that amount, I can hit record, and that will be recorded in the Blended system. So another example might be cap management, and this might be something you do in the morning and at night or maybe multiple times a day. If I click the cap management icon, this is going to open up kind of a series of measurements as well as an action, like a punch down. And so if I want to then update our bricks for today, a fresh pH and maybe a temp at 71 Fahrenheit, I can hit record, and that will record that information and capture it in the lot. This is a short summary of just how we use production protocols within the Blended platform. If you're interested to learn more, find us on our website, come check out a full demo. I'd love to show you how this works with your process.